Hello, welcome back guys. I'm going to be doing an unboxing of an iPhone 8 Rose Gold that I bought, and this is a refurbished phone like always from Walmart, since Walmart usually has better prices than Amazon as far as I've seen. But this is a 64 gigabyte, like pretty much iPhone 8s and above are. And so not quite the packaging, but it just has simple things like the brick and the cable. Well, this is a brick, this is a cable, sorry. But this looks like a generic Apple cable. This just looks like non-generic, but pretty sure it still work. It doesn't matter. Just put that right there. Then the phone and some air, but that doesn't matter. Now, alright. Oh. Just peel this off. Alright. It looks alright. It's alright, to be honest. I mean, you can see some scuffs right there and around there, but it's not a big deal. It'd be better if it works. That's honestly all I care about. But it turns on, works. Alright, let's see if it turns on. Alright. Low battery 10, of course. English, let me just skip through this. Alright, after setting up the iPhone, this is what we get. I was able to get in. So far, I've seen everything's alright so far. I'm checking the camera. Darn, it doesn't matter. Alright, video, alright. Photo. Alright, so everything's fine so far. Not sure. Now we're just getting. Alright, so general, about, name, iPhone, software version. Alright, network not available. So I'm gonna be getting a sim right now. I'm checking if it'll go through. So let me just cut back one more time. Alright, so we've already transferred the data from the Android to the iPhone, and I'm gonna put the SIM in. That way we can receive service. And it should just go in like that. And as soon as you go in, it should just read it, and there you go. Metro by T-Mobile. That's my carrier. And it did go through, so now we could just scroll through wherever, because everything's already ready. And so far the phone works fine. Like I said before, the only bad part would be the dents right here, and that's the only bad part this has. But besides that, the back and the front are fine. So thank you guys for watching. See you guys next time.